Come, let us spill this already spilled juice and conclude on the last episodes of Uthando Nesthembu. So now these are the episodes that I made on TikTok that I shared with the people on my TikTok page. So enjoy them and tell me what you think about Uthando Nesthembu. Do leave a comment, but most of all, please subscribe. Let us get to 8,000 subscribers.
I'm sorry guys, I got disturbed before the indaba kaSine. Furthermore, Uthando uthi sekhambile lokhu or sehambile whatever, but like saying that ngumuntu omdala is disrespectful, right? And Uthando, according to me, umntana kaSine. It goes to show ukuthi mawumuntu umzali, because uSine umzala ngisho, you need to be extra careful what you say in front of your children. Because your children, if they see disrespect from you, that is exactly what they're going to show. And when push comes to shove, they will also show that disrespect to you. I'm not saying what Uthando did was right. It was very wrong. But at this point, my contribution to this situation is in. And also, what discussions do they have around Usne? Because Usne mama kumzele. For her to say that, it means she does not hold Usne at that high regard. And we all know ukuthi umntwana noma umama ngabanjani, umntwana will always have their mother's back. So at this point, for her ukuthi ahlekise ngoma wakhe etafuleni kunezitha zika ma wakhe, even though labantu laba bamzonda umamakhe, but kusne bayizitha. And Uthando should know that. So I don't know ukuthi it's one. How did you feel lina ngale nto le Uthando ayishilo?